Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. There's a bird in the house. And I just started recording. We were going to show Grandma that you got on that all by yourself. I looked over and Mr. was on his digger. But the worst thing that's happening right now is I am terrified of birds, and there is a fucking bird over here. Oh God, oh God. What are we going to do? Okay, we're going to go open some doors. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. No, no. God, if it flies into a window and dies or something. Okay. I'm recording this for your enjoyment. Okay. Anxiety. Okay. Stay put, you little. Just stay put. I'm gonna open a door. If you fly at me, I'm going to die. No. Here you are. Oh! No. Okay. Here we are. Here we are. Okay, do not shit on me. Oh God. Somebody. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. No, Archie, no! Archie, no! Archie, don't eat the bird. Oh God. I just made the baby cry because okay, one door open. Okay, we gotta get one more door open. Right, there's a lot of open doors now, so if this bird can't find its way out, I don't know what to do. Let's go check on the baby that I just scared with my screams. I'm sorry. It wasn't you. It was a bird, honey. No, listen. Mommy's terrified of birds. Listen. Mommy's terrified of birds. And she screamed because she was trying to get the bird out of the house. I didn't mean to scare you. Can you forgive me? I didn't mean to scare you. Okay. All right. I don't know where the bird is. I gave up. I hope it's out of the house. Archie, is the bird out? You can get on and off your digger all by yourself? You're like a grown-up now. Oh, well, could have been worse. Let's go see if the bird's out. The bird better be out because there's a lot of open doors. Don't cry, honey. I'll be right back. Okay. All right. Oh God, it's not out. It's not out. Oh my God, I thought it was out. I was gonna conclude the video. It's not out. Okay. All right. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just gonna have to wait it out. I'm sorry. Mommy will stop screaming. I know you don't like loud noises. Okay. Come here.